Hello, Nadine here, and today I am sharing how I am going to make a bookmark using some Maker's Movement dies. This is the tropical leaves. See if they made a card right there, but I'm doing a bookmark. And I'm also going to be using Xyron's magnetic tape and also the mini die cutting machine this is the miniMaker from Maker's Movement. Okay, so now that I got the dies out of the packaging, there are those little metal pieces in between that hold them together. I'm just going to use these little nippers that I got also from Maker's Movement to cut them apart. And then I have lots of little scrap pieces that I had from those papers that I've used that were scraps, that I found all the green ones that I could find, different ones. So I can just cut the dies out and using several of the papers. Okay, so now I have a bunch of the leaves cut out, you can see here, and then I'm going to use my Xyron Create a Sticker and run each one of these through. So I just put them right in there and then pull it through like that. I'm going to do that with all of these. Okay, so I tore them down, you can see, so that way I can make my big long strip that I had more manageable, because it was kind of crazy long before. And then I just used another piece of scrap paper that I had. This is a 12 by 12 by 2 inch that I cut, and then I'm just going to fold this right in half like that, and then I'm just going to start taking these leaves and layering them up onto the front. Okay, now that I have all the leaves adhered onto there, I'm going to turn it over, and then I am just going to cut the extra that is hanging over the edges off. Okay, so next I took the Live, Laugh, and Love. You see them all right there, from the Maker's Movement Essential Sentiments stamp set. And I'm going to stamp that with some VersaFine Clair using my MISTI. And then I'm just going to pour some clear embossing powder onto that and then heat set it. Okay, now that I have it stamped out, I cut it down and then I adhered it onto a piece of the green scrap paper. And then I'm going to use my Xyron Mega Runner and just adhere it right there into the middle. And now, using the Mega Tape, I'm going to take a strip and accidentally tore it off just a little too long. There we go. And then do another one on the other side. And I cut it too long again. And then when I fold it in half, and so it will magnetic together. And then the book book that I have next to me just happens to be a thesaurus, but any book obviously would work. The book that you're reading would probably be preferable. And there you go. You can see how it stays in there. And then you can come back and find your page again. So just a quick fun way to make a bookmark. Like that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I would love a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.